You need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna set the streets on fire.
Me and Jalea,
straight up.
Outlaw, outlaw, like I hit the Powerball. Once all eyes is on me, throw them off like Southpaw. Niggas love to count yours, hoping that your paper fall. Wishing death upon me, but I'm here forevermore. I just get debated on, I just get my greatest on. St. Laurent on speed dial, I just put the latest on. Bring it on, bring it on. You want war, then bring it on. Set this bitch on fire, nigga, we can have a sing-along.
You need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna set the streets on fire. All I need is a gas and a lighter, and we'll have one hell of a time. You need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna set the streets on fire. All I need is a gas and a lighter, and we'll have one hell of a time.
I got a California king in my condo. Got a motherfucking big screen by the front door. Got a guest bedroom filled up with fur coats. Nigga, ain't no room in this bitch to even jump rope. Yeah, the fire and desire, and I'm higher than my prior. My attire, acquire might require my liar. War might accept you and deny you, no denial. I'll be in the courtroom on the table screaming, right.
You need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna set the streets on fire. All I need is a gas and a lighter, and we'll have one hell of a time. You need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna set the streets on fire. All I need is a gas and a lighter, and we'll have one hell of a time.
Tell them little pussy then no violate, violate. 21 out of the clip, me fire straight. White line, yellow tape, book your flight, look at it. Send the pussy back to the maker, whether hell or higher gear. Yeah, make this bad man you get a split wig, split wig. Undertaker look, see what the slick did. West Coast, East Coast, we love make coast. Bullet through your fucking vest, left your chest exposed.
You need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna set the streets on fire. All I need is a gas and a lighter, and we'll have one hell of a time. You need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna set the streets on fire. All I need. You need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna set the streets on fire.
me and Jalea,
Straight up.
Outlaw, outlaw, like I hit the Powerball. Once all eyes is on me, throw them off like Southpaw. Niggas love to count yours, hoping that your paper fall. Wishing death upon me, but I'm here forevermore. I just get debated on, I just get my greatest on. St. Laurent on speed dial, I just put the latest on. Bring it on, bring it on. You want war, then bring it on. Set this bitch on fire, nigga, we can have a sing-along.
You need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna set the streets on fire. All I need is a gas and a lighter, and we'll have one hell of a time. You need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna set the streets on fire. All I need is a gas and a lighter, and we'll have one hell of a time.
I got a California king in my condo. Got a motherfucking big screen by the front door. Got a guest bedroom filled up with fur coats. Nigga, ain't no room in this bitch to even jump rope. Yeah, the fire and desire, and I'm higher than my prior. My attire, acquire might require my liar. War might accept you and deny you, no denial. I'll be in the courtroom on the table screaming, right.
You need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna set the streets on fire. All I need is a gas and a lighter, and we'll have one hell of a time. You need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna set the
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll